Good morning, and it's officially time to start
my birthday glow up.
Literally, I'm looking crusty. My face is so dry. My hair, like, don't even get started. Just look at it. It's so flaky, dry, frizzy, nails, everything. We need to do a 360, honestly, because I desperately need it. So let the glow up begin.
I'm gonna start with oral care first, and for that I'll be using Perfora teeth whitening strips to whiten my pearly whites. This is literally my first time using it. I've never tried it before. और आप देख सकते हो ज़्यादा येलो भी नहीं है. I think it's 3 or 4. बस आपको ये पील करके लगाना है and look at my scary face. Like what the hell is that? After that you have to keep it for 30 minutes. Definitely थोड़ा weird लगता है. Let's move on to the hair now. I'm gonna start with oiling my hair. And of course my oiling ritual is incomplete without Indie Wild Chumpy hair oil. Applying this all over the roots and giving it a nice massage. जो भी बचा कुचा oil है, I'm going to spread it all over the length of my hair. For length, I'm going to apply one more product, which is a deep conditioner. I'm using the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Hydrating Cream Mask. This is great for dry hair and it will also help me to detangle my hair. Applying a little generously at the ends. And then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. As you can see, I always start at the bottom and work your way towards the top. And you can see the way I'm holding the brush, it kinda acts like finger combing. So tough knots के लिए I hold it vertical. One side is done, I'm gonna do the same on the other and then go ahead and put it in a bun. ये करते करते 30 minutes are up and now it's time to remove the teeth whitening strips. And these are the results. बहुत ही ज़्यादा subtle difference था, nothing crazy.
Are you guys seeing a difference? Cause yeah, I can't see any difference. Maybe slight.
But again, I was using it for the first time, so maybe eventually it will get better. After that, it's time to shave my face and groom my eyebrows. Again, ये step मैं कभी भी skip नहीं करती हूँ. Using Mamaearth Aloe Vera Gel as a barrier. And I really like this facial razor by Carmesy. Always keep a tissue handy. You have seen me shave my face multiple times, you know the drill by now. But I still get questions if it makes your hair grow thicker, and absolutely not. I've been doing this for years and years, almost 7 to 8 years by now. And trust me, जो natural hair growth है वही आता है. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the box. But on the plus side, it makes my skin feel so much more smoother. My skincare absorbs better, my makeup sets better. And it not only removes peach fuzz and hair, it also gets rid of the dead skin. For eyebrows, I'm going to use my manicure kit. इसमें से मैं tweezer और scissor use करने वाली हूँ. This is the before. आप देख सकते हो मैंने under my eyebrows shave नहीं किया है because I'm going to tweeze them. Tweezing your hair removes the hair from the root और उसके वजह से बहुत जल्दी growth नहीं आती है. It takes a little more time. So yeah, I prefer this method as it keeps it groomed for a little longer. Once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and trim all the long hairs. Next, it's no strip time, and of course, you know I need to use my Sanfe Deep Purifying Nose Strip. No other nose strip works as good as this one. Always apply this on wet skin. और लगाने के बाद भी मैं wet hand से उसको press down करती हूँ to make sure everything is stuck properly. And उसके बाद just let it dry. And after 20-30 minutes, once it's fully dry, then I'm gonna go ahead and peel off. Slowly धीरे धीरे करके peel off करना. And yes, it literally removes everything. Blackhead, whitehead, small tiny hair on your nose, everything. And finally, it's time for my everything shower routine. I'm gonna start with Bare Anatomy Scalp Scrub and give my scalp a deep cleanse. This just removes all the product buildup, pollution, oil buildup, and just gives my scalp a refresh, a restart. Once that is washed off, for shampoo I'll be using the Moxie Scalp Reviving Shampoo, again a clarifying shampoo. I was facing a lot of flaky scalp issues, so hopefully this will solve it. For conditioner, again I'm going to use the same mask, Swatchwalk Spa Essence, using a little amount all over the length of my hair. And as my hair was already detangled, detangling was very easy. I'm gonna let the hair mask sit in for a while. And let's move on to body. For that I'll be using the Wild Oak Watermelon Shea Butter Sugar Scrub and scrub my entire body. And prep it for shaving, of course, but this scrub smells divine. For shaving, I'll be using the Karmasi Body Shaving Gel and Venus Razor. This Gillette Venus Razor gives me the closest shave, so I absolutely love it. I've shaved my arms and legs, but I haven't shaved my underarms. Uske baad I'm going to wash off my hair mask. I am not doing my curly hair routine today because I was very tired, so I just went ahead and brushed it all down, scrunch it nicely and put my microfiber towel. And uske baad I like to wash my body using the Fiyama Devils Shower Gel. For face wash, currently I am using the PhD Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser. It's the next day. I was so tired I decided to call it a night. And this is how my hair has dried. No leave-in, no gel whatsoever. But today I'm going to wax my underarms. So I picked up this wax warmer by this brand called Inora. It also came with 3 different wax beans. These are hard wax, by the way. I also picked up another wax. This is by O3 Peel Off Wax. Again, a hard wax. I'm actually planning to use this one. Once the wax is all melted, if you're able to hold it on the stick and it's dropping like honey, it's ready. I shaved I think 15-20 days ago, so ye growth ho rakha hai. Applying powder first. I was literally doing it for the first time, so I was definitely nervous, but eventually I got a little better. First, jitna bhi product hai aapke stick pe, park it at the bottom, then spread it up. एंड में आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ लिप एट द टॉप एंड बॉटम ताकि स्ट्रिप अच्छे से क्लीन निकले. Wow, I was honestly surprised. Almost 70% hair already आ चुका था first strip में ही. Moving on to the next strip, applying powder again. And ये बार I'm going to apply it from top to bottom. Hair growth के direction में आपको apply करना है and opposite direction में pull करना है. As it's underarms, it grows in multiple directions. And once it's dry, pull it on the opposite direction. Second strip में बच्चे कुछ जितने भी बाल थे सारे निकाल दिए. And I'm gonna literally repeat the same on the other side as well. You can see all the white dots on top of the hair. Those are the roots. ये literally roots से बालों को खींचता है. By the fourth attempt, I got a hang of it. You can see my excitement because that was literally the perfect application. And you might see a little red dots. That's completely normal.
Literally no hair.
उसके बाद I'm using the after wax wipes that came along with it and just tidying everything up. And just look at the results. I was so happy with it. I'm definitely never going back to shaving. Quickly took a body shower and now I'm back. It's facial time. And for that, I'll be using the Ordinary AHA BHA Peel. Absolutely beautiful product. Applying it all over my face and neck, and of course I'm going to keep it only for 10 minutes. इसको overdo नहीं करना है. मेरा फेस थोड़ा रेड लग रहा है, बट डोंट वरी, थोड़ी देर में वो काम डाउन हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू टिंट माई आईब्राउज. रेडनेस कम होने के बाद माई स्किन वॉज ग्लोइंग. डू यू गाइस सी अ डिफरेंस? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. For that I'll be using the Meena eyebrow. It's a henna and this lasts up to 7 days. Go ahead and make the concoction. It should look something like this at the end. Applying a little bit of Vaseline on top and bottom ताकि वहाँ पर वो tint ना करे. I'm going to brush my eyebrows down and start filling them in जैसे मैं normal eyebrows fill करती हूँ. आप देख सकते हो मैंने फ्रंट पार्ट फिल इन नहीं किया है. एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज Q-tip एंड क्लीन अप ऑल द एजेस. I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. First create the outline and then fill them in. And lastly, I'm going to fill the front part ताकि वो ombre effect आए. ये मैं total 1 hour रखने वाली हूँ, but I'm going to wipe the front part off after 30 minutes. Wow, look at the results. I literally don't have to fill my eyebrows in at all for 7 days. At this point, I was getting a little tired, so let's wrap this up with some nighttime skincare routine. For toner, I'm going to use the Haru Haru Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Of course, can't forget my favorite Wishcare Lip Balm. Can't forget the Ras lashes for my lashes and eyebrows. And lastly, I'm going to end the routine with some face mask. This is by Quench. It's the Snail Mucin Collagen Boost Mask. It's an overnight mask. And that's the last part of this glow up routine as well. I'll see you guys in the morning. मॉर्निंग में ये पूरा मास्क क्लियर हो जाता है. Do you guys see that glow on my forehead? My face was looking so glowy and hydrated in the morning. I can't get over it. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. Hopefully you guys loved it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say